Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Marieke Blokland from bloknote.nl and I have a short video about this SMLT art sketchbook. It is a A5 journal with 160 grams paper and it has 80 watercolor sketchbook sheets. It's not really watercolor paper, but yeah, it's more a sketchbook. I have one here and I really enjoy working in it so much that I bought myself a new one to fill later when this one is full, probably, or nearly full. Then I will love to have another one, because I hate the idea that this one will be full in, well, I'm about midway now, but I started working in it end of May, so June, July, August. In about 3 months I already filled quite some pages here, and yeah, I really enjoy working in this journal. So I thought I wanted to make a little shout out about this book. It was quite expensive, I must say. I believe it was in the Netherlands about 26 euro, so that's quite an expensive journal. I would normally not really spend that much money on art journals, even though I am like always art journaling. I think it's pretty expensive for a book, but this one, well, I think it's worth the money because it is so sturdy. I mean, look, it really looks well still, even though I've already used it so much. Yeah, the paper is really thick. It's nice thick paper, and I love to use it for my mixed media techniques with acrylic paint, clear gesso, a little bit of watercoloring. I'm not using a lot of water in it because I don't like wrinkly pages, but it is really a fabulous sturdy journal, and I also really like the cover, the way it looks and feels. So yeah, I'm really happy with this journal. I am pretty expressive these days. I'm going to talk more about that in other videos. Yeah, this is really the things that I am making these days. Pretty expressive and raw, and I'm going to share more about that. I'm working on new stuff and I can't wait to show you those things. But yeah, just a little shout out about this awesome SMLT art sketchbook. So, ciao! That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. You rock! Please support me by liking this video and subscribe for more quirky art inspiration and raw self-expression. Ciao!